Hello guys! Now I want to tell you about how to use Nana character in Mobile Legends game according to my version. Let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to choose Nana. Secondly, use the Flame Shoot Battle spell. Then, use the match emblem. And this is the equipment that will be used during the match. After entering the match, you must upgrade the first skill and go to mid lane to clean the minions. At the second level, you have to upgrade the second skill. At the third level, you have to upgrade the first skill again. And then, at the fourth level, upgrade the third skill, or commonly called the ultimate. After having the ultimate, you are free to upgrade skills, whatever you need. Then you have to roaming to the gold lane or XP lane to help your team who are being ganged up by the enemy or to gang up the enemy. For the combo of Nana on skill, throw Molina at the enemy. After that, use the ultimate first skill then flame shoot. If the enemy is not dead, use a basic attack.
Mengapa kamu menghiraukanku? Apakah kamu membenci Nana?